Everyone, Daniel from Twin Bytes with another tutorial for you. This time I'm going to talk to you about a free alternative to the Microsoft Office suite. You might want to look at this if you're either sick of Office or just don't want to pay for it and you'd rather have something free. LibreOffice is one of several free Office suite alternatives that offers a suite of programs in here. The most important ones to look at is Calc for Excel, Impress is like PowerPoint, and Writer is for Word. One of the things that you would want to make sure to know is that there is no alternative in here for Outlook. So if you're looking for an alternative for Outlook for email, that would be some other program to look at, which we can cover in another video. One of the important things to do is if you want to be able to use this and keep all your documents in Microsoft format and have them save in Microsoft format by default, we're going to change that right now. You can open any one of these programs, it doesn't matter which one it is. Once it's open, go up to Tools and then down to Options. In here you want to go down to the Load Save section, expand that and go to General. There's three different options in here that we want to change. The first one is for the document type. It says Text Type Documents. By default it's ODF, which is LibreOffice default format. If you click in here, you want to look for the Office extension that is for you. Now, as of the making of this video, we got from Word 2007 to 365, and that should cover everything. So it's a .docx format. We'll click on here, and then going forward, every time you create a new Word document, it's going to save it as Microsoft Word instead of LibreOffice format. So if we continue from here, choosing the next document type as a presentation, or actually spreadsheets next in order, then from ODS type format, we want to change it to Excel, XLSX for the 365. Finally, click up here one more time. We'll go into the presentation document types. We want to change those from the LibreOffice ODP extension to PowerPoint from Microsoft PPTX. Now that all three of those are changed, we'll just hit apply and OK. So if we were going to do a new Word document, for example, and we go to File and Save, you'll see here that it shows the extension as a docx, which is Microsoft, and it even says down here Microsoft Word. So even though you can always change this manually every time you save something, it's a bit of a pain. So what we did now was make it default to that so you don't have to go through this every time. And that's the most important thing to do when you're setting up LibreOffice, to maintain your Microsoft Office formatted documents. And if you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.